To the latest in the 2G's case, and in a direct attack on the Anil Ambani group, Neera Radia, once known to be close to Mukesh Ambani as well as the Tata group and a key witness in the 2G case, today claimed that Swan was controlled by Reliance Telecom. How significant is her statement given the fact that she is a key as a prosecution witness? Suchetna Ray now joins in with the details. Suchetna, highlight what implications these statements are likely to have.
Avan, these claims that are being made by Neera Radia are so significant that you could mark this date on your calendar, because this could well turn out to be the turning point in this 2G case so far, because Neera Radia, while recording her statement in a court of law, has today said that she has seen documents which actually show that Swan Telecom was not eligible for spectrum in 2007-8 simply because of the cross-holding by the Anil Dhirubhai Ambani group. In fact, she has gone on to just add that she perhaps personally and independently will not be able to prove these claims, but she was privy to documents which made those damning claims against the ADAG as well as against Swan Telecom. In fact, this also caused protest from Swan Telecom's promoter Shahid Balwa in court today. Lots of drama there. She went on to also add that Tata Telecom, though ahead in the queue, was denied spectrum by the Department of Telecommunication again during the same time. We have to remember that Neera Radia is one of the key witnesses being produced by CBI. It was based on the taped conversation between her and various media mughals that this case first took off. In fact, CBI today also submitted fresh transcripts, 50-page transcripts, in fact, of conversations between Neera Radia and various other people connected directly and indirectly with the telecommunication world, and that is exactly why the court has given time till the 2nd of July for the defense to prepare themselves and to analyze those fresh set of documents now being submitted by CBI. We'll have to see exactly what new and what exact information those new documents actually throw up.